So I've been shoveling since 6 p.m. It's 9 p.m. right now. This is the back of the house, and I'll do a walkthrough of what a snowstorm looks like. Yeah, this is the... I've shoveled all of this, so you have a path, which is fine. After 3 hours of shoveling, yeah, the house is fully covered. Yeah, it's gone. Now here at least you can walk, but we weren't even able to walk before. Okay, these are cars. This is our barbecue and everything, fully covered. This is the neighbor's car. Can walk because there's shoveling done. This is my car, our car. You see, nothing is here, fully gone, covered in a mountain of snow. Okay, it's the neighbor's basement. See some light, that's good. Okay, this is our car, which is in a mountain of snow. Some light, some shoveling, able to at least see the path. Yeah. Okay, these are our steps. Can't see nothing. This is the road. Oh my god, I've fallen in the snow. But yeah, nothing. Okay, cars, road, house. And you see how high this is? It's as good as it's coming up to my chest. It's this high. Yeah. Okay, and another very important thing, if you walk to the side of the house, this is all the garbage bins fully covered. You cannot see, this is the snow shovel. Okay. Oh man, snow shovel is also in snow. Okay, if you go here, you need to make sure that this is fully open, because this is where your exhaust is, and this was covered, so our furnace stopped. But now you were able to dig this out of snow. Still fine. You see the hot air? See the hot air? Smelling of gas. And really hot air. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, welcome to Canada, the land of Eskimos.